My name is Ken Wilson. I'm an IT manager for Rexel Holdings USA. I'm responsible for all of the Oracle ERP systems that we run in our business. Rexel Holdings USA is an electrical components distributor. It's a global company. Here in the United States we have about 5,000 employees in about 100 locations. The headquarters for Rexel Holdings USA is in Dallas, Texas. We also have offices in Shelton, Connecticut. And as I said, there are 100 facilities around the country that we use to distribute our product and sell our product. We have 5,000 employees spread around the whole world. I would say that we are in the industrial distribution sector. We first started business with ITC when we needed to build a new ERP system. And we were looking for a hosting partner that could help us start up and build a new system from the ground up. And we knew we were looking for a hosting partner. We interviewed and reviewed a lot of different hosting partners, and we chose ITC. We looked at big companies, we looked at small companies, we looked at middle-sized companies, and we thought that ITC was in the correct position in the market to match with our position in our market. The key objective was to build the ERP system, but to establish a hosting partner that we could truly partner with for many years. We knew this wasn't just a 2-year deal or a 3-year project. We knew we wanted a hosting partner that would last us a long time. So this new system replaced an aging ERP system that was homegrown, and it was very old, and it had to be decommissioned. So we started the Oracle R12 EBS to replace that old system. We are using 2 different versions today. We're using an Oracle R12, and we're using the financials only for that system. We have the second system is an 11.5.10, of which we have the full suite: financials, distribution, order management, projects, a full suite of the ERP. All of the systems are running on Linux with the 11G database. We have other partners that provide us with functional consultants and developers on our systems, but we chose ITC as our hosting provider and our provider of DBA services and system DBA services. We utilize ITC as a hosting partner and provider of DBA services as well as system DBA services to keep the systems running and performing as expected. The reason we chose ITC because of their size and their willingness to become partners. We felt that we weren't being treated as a number. We weren't being treated as just another client among hundreds and hundreds of clients. We thought that because ITC was willing to partner with us, and it was a good fit for the relationship that we expected. ITC is a business partner, and we depend on them as team members to work with us. My team and the ITC team work as one, communicate well, solve problems together well, and generally execute as a team. ITC provides a central point of contact for me, my project leader, and he and I work very closely together to keep each other informed of everything that's happening in both systems. The benefit that we have is stability in cost. We know exactly what our cost is going to be every month through the contract, and we know exactly what services they're going to be providing for that fee. And that gives us very good stability in our financial system. The next benefit is system stability. Our systems have been very stable. We don't have downtime. We don't have periods of slowness. We're not suffering the system performance issues that we were with other data centers and other service providers. The third, as I've said before, is the partnership, the benefit of having people that work together as a team and understand that we all have to survive together. In order for the contract to be extended and in order for us to all succeed, we have to work together as a team. And I think that's a big difference. And the relationships between the people, the relationships are very important to me, and as they are very important to ITC. I feel that ITC is a a good partner because I can come to them with suggested projects or potential projects, and I can get their opinion about which direction and the timing of these projects. There are always future changes that we're considering, and I always feel comfortable bringing those potential changes to ITC to get feedback from them of their experience and what they might have experienced with other customers. In our implementation project with ITC, I can say that ITC always hit their mark. When we had a time in the project plan and ITC had to be finished by the 10th, they always finished by the 10th. And if they were going to finish it by 2 a.m. on Sunday, they always finished by 2 a.m. on Sunday. I don't recall any instances where ITC was not able to deliver on the time commitment in my project plan. I think that ITC is good about future technologies. They're coming to me with suggestions and with ideas and about what's happening in the industry and what's happening that I need to know about. So they try to keep me informed about changes in the technology or changes to the software that may be good for me and that we want to consider together in the future.